Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WordPress on Bluehost, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Bluehost website. Click on the Get Started button. Choose your desired hosting plan. Fill in your account information. Create a domain name or choose an existing one. Review your package information. Add any additional extras you'd like. Complete your payment information, then click Submit. Once registered, log in to your Bluehost account. Find the My Sites tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Site button. Enter your site title and tagline in the provided fields. Click Next to continue. Select your desired domain for the WordPress installation. Click Next again. Bluehost will now install WordPress for you. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. Once installation is complete, you will see a success message. You will receive your WordPress login credentials. Make sure to note these down for future reference. Click Log into WordPress. You will be directed to your new WordPress dashboard. From here, you can explore themes, plugins, and settings to enhance your website. Congratulations! You have successfully installed WordPress on Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.